Hello friends, my name is Parth. Welcome back to my new video. Friends, today we are going to make underwater volcano. Have you any idea about this experiment? Little bit but not also. I will tell you. Underwater volcano means there are so many hills inside the water. Now inside that hill some chemical reaction take place. That's why it busted out, and this busted caused tsunami. Now we are going to make our experiment, that is underwater volcano. Now take a conical flask, add water. Here goes water. Now I am going to add blue color of 4-5 drops. Now mix it well. Now add 1 scoop of baking soda. Now add oil. Here we have to add 1 scoop of citric acid. There we go. We have added this. Now mix it well. Friends, our underwater volcano is ready. Now what you can see? Did you see rising bubbles up from water and come up to the layer of oil? And they move slowly from the oil layer. In our experiment of fizzy magic potion, bubbles of carbon dioxide were released. I have shared the link of fizzy magic potion experiment. There you can see this change, but this experiment the bubbles are moving slowly through the oil layer. Can you see? Because oil is thicker and stickier than water, giving it a underwater volcano appearance. This property of oil is known as viscosity. Thanks for watching guys, and if you like it, please share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.